Ever wished there was an easier way for your clients to book with you? A direct line, a magic portal, a simple click that takes them straight to your services, prices, and availability? Well, there is, and it's called your Vagaro link. But if you're anything like the thousands of salon owners, stylists, and wellness professionals out there, you might be wondering, how do I even find my Vagaro link? It's a question we hear all the time. In the bustling world of appointments, consultations, and keeping your business running smoothly, something as seemingly simple as locating a URL can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You know it's there, you know it's vital for streamlining your booking process, for sharing on social media, for putting on your business cards. But where exactly does Vagaro tuck away this golden key to your online scheduling? For many, the initial setup of any new software, including Vagaro, can be a whirlwind. You're focused on getting your services listed, setting up your calendar, inputting client information, and generally getting the lay of the land. The immediate need for your booking link might not be at the forefront of your mind until a client asks, "How do I book with you online?" Or you're ready to launch a new marketing campaign. And then the scramble begins. You click around, you check your emails, you might even do a quick Google search, only to find a multitude of articles that don't quite hit the mark for your specific needs. That frustration is precisely why we're here today. We're going to demystify the process, step by step, click by click, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly where to find your Vagaro link, but also understand how to leverage it to its fullest potential. Because let's be honest, in today's digital age, an easily accessible and shareable booking link isn't just a convenience. It's a necessity. It's the bridge that connects your potential clients directly to your calendar, transforming interest into confirmed appointments. It's the silent receptionist working 24/7, even when you're not. So let's dive in. The good news is, Vagaro, despite its comprehensive features, makes finding your booking link relatively straightforward once you know where to look. There are primarily two main avenues to locate this all-important URL. Through your Vagaro account itself, and often, right in the confirmation emails you received when you first set up your account. We'll start with the most common and reliable method, directly within your Vagaro dashboard. First things first, you'll need to log into your Vagaro account. This might sound obvious, but ensuring you're on the correct Vagaro login page and using your accurate credentials is the crucial first step. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing your business. Now, the exact navigation might vary slightly based on whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, but the core principles remain the same. For the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on the desktop experience, which offers the most comprehensive view. Once you're logged in, cast your eyes to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with various options like calendar, customers, reports, and so on. What we're looking for is usually under a section related to your business profile or settings. Sometimes, it's intuitively labeled something like online booking or website widgets. However, the most consistent place to find your main booking link is often under your marketing or business profile settings. Let's try marketing. Click on marketing. Within the marketing section, you'll find a treasure trove of tools designed to help you promote your business. Look for an option that says website widgets, booking page, or something similar. This is usually where Vagaro provides you with various ways to integrate your booking capabilities into your existing online presence. Within this section, you should see your unique Vagaro booking link prominently displayed. It's typically a URL that starts with vagaro.com, followed by your business name or a unique identifier. This is your primary direct booking link, the one you can share anywhere. Now, a quick tip. Vagaro often provides different versions of your link or widgets. You might see options for a full booking page, individual service links, or even specific staff member links. While all these are useful when we talk about your Vagaro link in a general sense, we're usually referring to your main business booking page. This is the one that allows clients to see all your services, staff, and availability in one comprehensive view. Another common place to find your link, especially if you're just starting out or setting up a new service, is within the settings or account area. Sometimes under business profile or general settings, Vagaro will display your public booking URL. It's worth exploring these sections if the Marketing tab doesn't immediately yield the link you're looking for. The key is to look for anything that pertains to your public-facing profile or online booking presence. Beyond directly navigating your Vagaro account, there's another incredibly simple method that often goes overlooked: your Vagaro welcome or confirmation emails. When you initially signed up for Vagaro, or perhaps when you made a significant update to your business profile, Vagaro often sends out automated emails. These emails are typically packed with useful information, including, you guessed it, your direct booking link. Do a quick search in your email inbox for Vagaro, welcome, or account setup. You might be surprised to find your link waiting for you there, easily copy and pastable. This can be a real time saver if you're on the go or prefer not to log into your full desktop account. Once you have your Vagaro link in hand, the possibilities are endless. This isn't just a string of characters. It's a powerful tool. You can embed it on your website, make it a prominent Book Now button on your homepage, share it on social media, post it on your Instagram bio, Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, and even in your stories. Include it in your email signature. Every email you send becomes an opportunity for a new booking. Print it on your business cards and flyers. Make it easy for potential clients to find you offline. Use it in your marketing campaigns. Direct your audience straight to the booking page from your ads. Text it directly to clients. A quick and easy way to get a client to book their next appointment. The beauty of having a dedicated Vagaro link is the seamless experience it provides for your clients. No more phone tag, no more missed calls, no more manual scheduling. Clients can browse your services, check your real-time availability, and book appointments 24/7, even when your salon is closed. This level of convenience significantly reduces friction in the booking process, leading to more confirmed appointments and ultimately, more revenue for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.